If you are trying to count up change, we are not going to compete with the cash register. What does a cash register do? A cash register takes the amount they paid and it does the subtraction like a calculator, and then it tells you how much change to give that person back. Okay, if you don't have a cash register, this is the old-fashioned way to count back change because you don't subtract. So stop thinking about the way the cash register does it, and let me tell you what we're going to do. Instead of doing this minus this, we're just going to start here and we're going to count our way up. So let's say, first of all, this customer owes you $3.87 and they pay you $5. Don't think about this. Start right here. We're going to count it up. Start with pennies first. All right, 87, we're going to go 88, 89, 90. Now, why do I stop at 90? Because I can use a bigger coin. All right, you can go to nickels or you can go to dimes, whichever one you want to. There's no law that says you can't give somebody 2 nickels. All right, so we were at 387. We did 88, 89, 90. That makes $4. Now, they paid you $5. So what do you add to $4 to get to $5? Well, you add one more dollar. So, did you know how much change this was ahead of time? You didn't have to. You didn't have to do any subtraction. All you have to do is start here and count your way up, and then you stop when you get to whatever they paid you. All right, let's look at another example, because sometimes people want to give you extra change. Why? Because they don't want pennies. All right, so you look at 87. Let's say this person gave you $5.02. First, take the extra change that they give you and you do subtract it from here. So if I take 2 cents off of this, what do I have? I've got $3.85. So that's where you start counting, but you're not going to need any pennies because you're already at a 5 or a 0. So if we've reduced this down, the 2 cents they paid us covered the 2 cents over here. So now they only owe us $3.85. So $3.85, a nickel makes 90. That makes $4. And there's their 5. All right, let's look at one more. Let's say they paid us $5.07. All right, same thing. Come over here to what they owe and take off the 7. So now how much do they owe you? $3.80. So there's your starting point. $3.80, $3.90. That makes $4. And one more makes 5. Okay? The more you watch these practices, the easier it's going to get. I promise you. So just keep watching. I've got a playlist for this so you can watch them over and over.